Alright guys, so we had a storm last night and it's broken the fence back there. The tree, it snapped a tree in half. And it's also broken the latch on the chicken coop and let all the chickens loose. So our first order of business is going to be to get our chickens wrangled in. So I got a tomato here I'm going to try to bait them with. It's still pretty windy out here. And then I got a new latch that I'm going to try to put in. Come over here. Come on. You want it? This part not gonna be easy. I ended up getting all the chickens in except for 2 of them. And they were being a little pain in the butt. So then you see how windy it is, it blew the camera over. So I gave up on chasing the chickens for a little bit and went ahead and put the new latch on the chicken coop. So that way it'll be secure and I won't have to worry about it. You know how many times my wife's tried to eat you? I saved you. Guys need to go back in that chicken coop. Come here. I'll remember that next time you're on the fucking menu. Alright guys, well, I can't catch the last 2. I got 8 out of the, well, I got 9 out of the 11. So we got 2 chickens still on the loose. I'll get them in a minute. Maybe. But there was a actual dead tree. This tree right here is dead. And I was kind of worried about it falling on the fence, to be honest with you. And it actually never even touched the fence. It broke in half at the top. And went right over the fence and never even touched it. You can see the other half of it laying across there. And it was actually the tree that was living, that it was leaning up against, is what snapped in half and then fucking landed on the fence. So, here's what it is. I got my Sawzall. Ran out here with the extension cord. And I'm just going to start chopping it up and throwing it on the other side of the fence, and then we'll see what we can do about the fence. Try to make it look a little better, I guess, for now. And then I went ahead and put a new latch on the door. I don't have a lock though, so I'm just going to put that staple in there. That'll keep them in there at least. Alright, we got her decently chopped off there. So what I'm going to try to do is probably just go to the other side here and other side of the fence and try to pick that up and get it off the fence. Then we'll see. I don't know what I'm going to do. I might take that piece out there, try to take that out and straighten it out. I don't know, we'll see. But I gotta get this tree off of it first, and I'm not really worried about burning it. It's still super windy. You wouldn't want to burn nothing now. And to be honest with you, I'm got poison ivy all over me. I really don't want to be out here doing this. I got poison ivy from when we were doing the backyard, but I need to get this off the fence. And it sucks because I don't have any more gloves. I'm kind of worried about my tools and stuff. I washed them down pretty good, but we'll see. I'll probably be taking a shower as soon as I'm done with this. So we'll get over here and get it off the fence. Well, some more fun news, guys. I don't even know where this fucking tree came from. Over on the other side. So much for our fire pit. Lasted, you know, a whole couple days. At least it didn't land on the bench. It's just the very end of it too. Caught it. You can see the pieces laying around. Oh my God. So that's pretty well fucked. I don't know if you can tell. Chalk that up to the fucking list. Look at this. The fucking birdhouse is fine though. Didn't even move. Alright, well I got it off the fence. So next I'm going to try to straighten that back out a little bit. See if I can do it. At least make it a little better where we can come back and fix it later. The longer that chain link stays all smashed like that, the harder it's probably going to be to get it right. So I'll try to go ahead and get it done now. You know, guys, honestly, I think we can consider ourselves pretty lucky. It just seems like this top, you know, rail here is just, it needs a new section here. So that's probably not really going to be that big a deal. But I'm going to go ahead and try to take it off there, straighten it out, and then throw it back on to get by. We got to get that chicken in there. Here, chicka, 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 chicka. Come here. Motherfuckers. Nope. Nope. Here, you want to come home? You good for your home? Where you going? The other way. Door close. Come on. Nope, nope, nope. Other way, other way. Oh, shit. Other way, other way, other way. No, back. Back this way, back this way, back this way. Back this way. Back this way. Back up. Back up, Cluck. Get in there. come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, really? Fucker. Alright, we're down to one chicken to get. Well, I don't know that it's a whole lot better than it was, but it's a little straighter. And it's going to need that new top piece anyway, so I'm not really going to get it. I'm just going to, it's kind of just sitting in there. It's not connected down here, so that's going to be a lot of work to put that in. I'll have to do a little more work to, probably going to have to, I don't know. Gonna have to figure something out there, but I'll do some research on that. But at least it's straighter. At least it's gonna still keep the animals out, I think. So straightened it out a little bit and got the tree off of it. So I think that'll be it for this video. We just gotta catch this last chicken somehow. Listen, buddy, you stay out here, you're going to end up dinner. My wife is going to eat you. Are you listening? Where you going?